Hi guys, a very good morning to all of you. So I am here to teach you SST Standard 3 Chapter 7, the lecture number 2 of Chapter 7. So in last video still I have taught that India and its neighbor countries like Pakistan, Afghanistan, Bhutan, China, Nepal, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka and Maldives. These all are the neighbors of our country India. Political division is what? India is what? We all know that India is a very large country with millions of people and very high population. For that, we have a union or central government to rule the whole country. New Delhi is the capital of our country, India. And the Prime Minister, President, and the other minister of the local government, the central government, these all lived in the capital states, capital cities. Like the India capital is New Delhi. So whatever the rules, regulation, laws are there, the Prime Minister, they all lived in the capital city. Since we all know that India is very big and it is very difficult to control for one central government to look after the law and orders in each part of the country. Like suppose that in one room we have 100 or 200 students and one teacher, it can't be handled. Yeah, sure, one teacher can't be handled 200 students. For that we need 5, 6 or 10 teachers, or for that we will just distribute that all 200 students in equal parts in 4 sections, so that the 10 teacher or 2 teacher, the 5 teacher, they can control that students. So like that here also, that we all know that India is very big and with millions of people with high populations, and it is very difficult to control one central government and to look after the law and order in each part of the country. That's why the India has divided into smaller areas. The India has divided into smaller areas which known as states. And in India we all know that we has 29 states. Each state has their government and its own rule. They just consist the governor, chief minister and the other ministers. The state government are also located on the capital of the states. They can take the decisions on the capital of the state. So on page number 38, you can see that you have a capital country, state capital and union territory. Index is there. So these you can see that in square, country capitals are there, in red dot state capital, and in green dot union territory. This is a very important map. You can see once the online class is over, you can see the 29 states are there, 7 union territory are there, and its capital are there. So once the online class is over, please you can look, you guys just look this map and you can just take a short look, and you can read the map also, that in the north part Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Punjab, Nepal, Bhutan, China. So these all are there. Next is what? Some area of the country, means some areas of the country which are not included in any states, and it is directly controlled under the central government. So these all are known as union territory. Some states are there which is not controlled and which is not divided into states, so it is controlled by the central government. This is known as union territory. You can underline in page number 38 that from some area, means you can underline from some area, then some areas of the country are not included in any of the 29 states. Again I am repeating, from some you have to underline, till union territories or till capital you have to underline, because it's very important. So some areas of the country are not included in any of the 29 states and are directly under the control of the central government. These are known as union territories. These are known as union territories. There are 7 union territories. How many territories are there? 7 union territories, including the national capital. Our national capital is what? Delhi, New Delhi. So the national capital territory of Delhi also. So you have to underline from some till Delhi. So again I am repeating, so please match it. Some areas of the country are not included in any of the 29 states and are directly under the control of the central government. These are known as union territories. There are, how many union territories are there? There are 7 union territories, which is, in including 7 territories, we have national capital territory of Delhi also. Next also you have to underline it that Rajasthan, it is also a state. It is the largest state. Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state. Rajasthan is what? It is the largest state in 29 states. And Goa is the smallest state. And you have to underline so that once the online class will over, you have to go through the chapter and you have to learn it. So it's very important. It's like a general knowledge. If I will ask that which is the largest state, then you will say the Rajasthan is the largest state and the smallest state is Goa. Just keep in your mind. Again I am repeating. I know that after the online class you will not go through the chapter. So it's better that I am reading, I am just telling you, just keep inside your mind. So Rajasthan is the largest state. Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state. Underline it. Next is the new state of Telangana was formed recently. The Telangana state is also there, which formed recently, means it is not there because previous we have only 28 states, but this Telangana is what? It's just now it's formed in these states, so that's why after 28 it comes 29 because Telangana is also added in the states. So these also underline that which new states has added new states, then you will say Telangana. Then you can underline from the new state of Telangana was formed recently. So from there you have to underline that the Telangana is the new states which is added in the states in 28 because previous we have 28 states, but after that the one state has formed Telangana, then it becomes the 29 states. Among the union territories, means after that among the union territories, these also you can underline. Among the union territories, it's important. The Andaman and Nicobar Island is the largest while Lakshadweep is the smallest. So in states the Rajasthan is the smallest and Goa is in states the Rajasthan is the largest and Goa is smallest. So like that in union territory also the Andaman is the largest union territory and Lakshadweep is the smallest. So till smallest you have to underline it. Again I am repeating, please match that from where you have to underline it. From some area you have to underline. In some areas of the country are not included in any of the 29 states and are directly under the control of the central government. These all are known as union territories. There are 7 union territories including the national capital of Territory of India. Rajasthan is the largest state and Goa is the smallest state. The new state of Telangana recently it's formed. Among the union territory, means among the union territory, the Andaman is what? The Andaman and Nicobar is the largest union territory and the Lakshadweep is the smallest. So till there today, the next views are there in page number 39 that I will explain in the next class. Till that, after finishing the online class, please go through the chapter and read the chapter. Till that, thank you and have a nice day.